So I found the best business model to make $10,000 a month in 2026. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I would go about building this business step by step. I'm Fred, I come from a low middle class family, and I still built a consulting business that's made thousands of dollars a day, mostly profit. I literally went from being an anxious kid who couldn't even go for a walk outside for months. Yes, you heard that right, that's how bad it was. To closing $6,000, even $18,000 deals with complete strangers. So feel free to click off this video if you want to stay broke. Look, high ticket consulting and coaching is hands down the best business model for beginners, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why. First, the barrier to entry is incredibly low. You don't need inventory sitting in a warehouse. You don't need complex tech or coding skills. You don't need a team of developers. You just need your knowledge or expertise in solving a specific problem. And I'll show you how you can start this even with no previous experience. Second, it's fast to revenue. You can land your first client in weeks, not months or years. I've seen people close their first $2,000 client within 14 days of starting. I've even helped people like my client Azar go from working a regular job to consistently earning $10,000 per month with his service business in 90 days of working with us. Third, the margins are insane. Most of what you charge goes straight to your pocket. When you sell a $3,000 consulting package, you're keeping like 95% of it after payment processing fees. There's no product cost, no shipping, no inventory overhead, just pure profit. Fourth, the math is stupid simple. 5 clients at $2,000 equals $10,000 a month. You don't need 1,000 customers. You don't need to go viral. You just need 5 people who trust you enough to invest in your help. And fifth, this works for both B2B, helping businesses, and B2C, helping individuals. For example, you can help coaches to get more clients with ads. You can help agencies to scale. You can help people to lose weight. You can help people fix their relationships. The model works across every niche because people will always pay to solve painful problems. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now let me show you why this beats every other popular business model you see people talking about online. Dropshipping has razor-thin margins, 5 to 20% if you're lucky. You're always dealing with customer service nightmares because you're selling cheap products from China that break easily or never even arrive. Or even if they do, they don't look like the photo. And ad costs are eating up all your profits because you are competing with thousands of other stores selling the exact same stuff. Affiliate marketing puts you at the mercy of other people's products and platforms. They can change their commission rates, shut down the program, or deliver a bad product that completely ruins your reputation. You've got zero control. SaaS and apps require technical skills that most people don't have. It takes years to build a functional app or software. There's a huge upfront investment in development and marketing, and even then, most SaaS companies fail. E-commerce has inventory costs, shipping logistics, competition with Amazon and Temu that you simply can't win against. You have to deal with returns, chargebacks, you deal with suppliers, it's a goddamn nightmare. But consulting, coaching and services, it gives you immediate cash flow. You close a client today, you get paid today. You can get recurring revenue if you structure it the right way. And it scales with price increases as you get better and build more proof. You don't necessarily need more clients to make more money, you just get better at it and you charge more per client. Here's what you actually need to get started, and it's way less than you think. First, a specific problem you can solve for a specific type of person. Please, please, please don't say, I help people with marketing. It's way too vague. Instead say, I help online coaches get more clients using paid ads. That's way more specific and sellable. Second, a basic way to communicate your offer. A landing page that explains who you help, what results you deliver. You don't need a fancy website. You don't need a logo. You need clarity. Third, you need a method to get in front of potential clients. That's either outreach, which means reaching out directly to people, or content, posting valuable stuff that attracts them to you, or ideally both. Fourth, you need the ability to deliver results. Either you have the expertise yourself or you partner with someone who does. If you don't know how to run ads, but you want to sell ad management services, you can hire a freelancer to do the execution while you handle the client relationship. So now that I told you what you need to make this work, let me tell you what you don't need, because it's just as important. You don't need fancy branding. You don't need a huge audience. My audience is tiny. You don't need years of experience. Everybody starts at zero, and you don't need certifications or a degree. I don't have any university degrees. None of that matters if you can solve a problem and communicate the value clearly. Now, let's talk about how to actually land your first clients in the next 30 to 60 days, because this is where most people get stuck. You have two paths: outreach, which is fast but requires volume, or content, which is slower but builds long-term brand equity. Outreach means you're sending LinkedIn messages, emails, Instagram DMs. You need to be sending 50 to 100 plus of these a day if you want results fast. Most people send 10 messages in a few weeks, get no response, and quit. Don't be like most people. Content means you're posting daily value on the platforms where your audience hangs out. If you're targeting business owners, it's probably going to be LinkedIn, YouTube, or Facebook. If you're targeting younger people, it might be YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. So what you do is, through your content, you talk about the problems your ideal clients have, you demonstrate you know what you're talking about, and you provide genuine value, and you invite them to work with you. The advantage of content is that it compounds. Every video, every post, every piece of value you put out continues to work for you long after you post it, and that is especially true on YouTube. The downside is it takes longer to see results. But the people who come from content are way warmer, and that means easier to close because they already trust you. They see the value. Most people fail because they do 1% of the volume needed and they quit. They send 20 messages and wonder why they're not getting clients. They post for 2 weeks at best and they give up because they didn't go viral. You need to understand that this is a numbers game at the beginning. The more conversations you have, the more calls you book, the more clients you close. It's that simple. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here is how you scale from $3,000 to $10,000 a month and beyond. Phase 1. Get your first clients even if you're charging low prices, like between $500 to $1,000. The goal here isn't to make a ton of money, it's to get proof, get results, get testimonials, build case studies. Phase 2. Use those results to double your prices. You've proven you can deliver. Now you can charge what you're actually worth. Instead of $1,000, you charge $2,000. Instead of $500, you charge $1,000. Moving on to phase 3. We add recurring retainers instead of just charging one time. So instead of charging someone $3,000 once, you can charge them $1,500 a month for ongoing support, whether it's a service or even coaching. This is how you build a predictable recurring revenue. That's how you get to $10K a month rather easily and stay there consistently. Phase 4. Increase your prices again as you get better results and collect more testimonials. You go from $2,000 to $3,000 to $5,000 per client. And because you deliver better results, incredible value, people are more than happy to pay. Look, the reason most people never become millionaires or make $10,000 a month isn't because it's impossible. Plenty of people have done it. Rather, it's because they quit way too early. And even when they get a little success, say they get a few clients, maybe they make a little bit of money, but then they stop doing the things that got them there in the first place. They stop doing outreach, they stop posting content, they get comfortable, and then they wonder why their business stalls. Don't make that mistake. Keep doing the activities that generate clients even after you hit your initial goals. That's how you go from 10K to 20K to 50K and beyond. Look, I am fully aware that not everyone can be an entrepreneur. 99% of people just don't have it in them because, let's face it, it requires taking a lot of risks, doing things that scare the shit out of you, investing in yourself, spending money, wow, and getting rejected thousands of times. Most people simply can't handle that level of discomfort and uncertainty, and that's okay. And honestly, the world wouldn't even function if everybody were rich or an entrepreneur. We need nurses, plumbers, farmers, teachers, all of those essential roles that keep society running. There's nothing wrong with having a normal job if that's what you choose. But if you're watching this video, you're probably not part of that 99%. You're probably someone who's willing to do what most people want so you can live how most people can't. And that is exactly who this message is for. The e-learning industry is predicted to reach over 375 billion US dollars by 2026 and as much as 950 billion US dollars by 2032. This is $1 trillion market that's only getting bigger. People are more willing than ever to invest in themselves, to pay experts to help them shortcut their learning and get results faster. The opportunity is massive. The demand is there. The only question is whether you're going to position yourself to capture it or keep making excuses. If you want to get my personal help, so we can help you build a profitable course, coaching, or service business, even with limited time, limited money, and no previous experience, check out the free resources in the description below.